Alright, so this is AJ Imports with the all-wheel drive Accord. So I'm sure people probably got tired of it, or content slowing down because it's getting cold. And we're getting to the end of that project, so we're starting a new one. This is 05 TL base model, but 6-speed. So got it a little hidden there. So I'm gonna try something new. We're gonna start taking this apart, trying to fix it, fix all of this damage. We have this and a new door, new hood. We're looking for a bumper, and this one looks like it might be savable, so we're gonna play with this one and put it together. Car dries. Oh, and it comes with Brembos. Car dries. We gotta figure out how to fix all this little issues. So this will be the first time we are attempting body work ish. So this is what's going on. Okay, we have new fan. Well, we had a new fan, alternator and tensioners change. I had to swap those out. And here's the biggest issue. Seems like this got pushed back a little bit. But overall, it's just the rat support that got tweaked in. So we're just gonna pull this out a little bit. I might even swap the whole thing over, or we'll just pull it out and see if it works. But look like it should clear. Just pull it back and we should be fine. Take these off, straighten those out. New condenser, new radiator, and she should be back on the road. So let's get cracking. So the only reason why I really want to change this door is just this little section right here. I guess whenever I hit, I touch there, there's a little graze. But if I'm changing the fender, change that, painting the mirror, and everything closes perfectly fine, no problem at all. So yes, that's from the previous owner, that's not me. But overall the car needs a little bit of work, but when it's done, it's gonna be a fun project. As you can see, starts and drive, no problem. So there we go. Took off the whole front end of what's damaged. A little struggle, but it wasn't too bad. Now this is the main area. Looks like I hit more towards this side. So I have a condenser, I have a radiator. The frame rails at the bottom were not touched. So this side is definitely a lot better. The crash beam is still intact. See, everything bolts up. It's just right here. This little upper section of the rat support. So all I gotta do is basically change the spot welder in. Just take this out here and up here. Take the whole thing off and just quite literally put a brand new one on. And that should do it. Or, like I said, remove these, which you're probably gonna try. Remove these out. Try to pull it to see if it brings everything back into shape before we start taking out the spot welds. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad because all the damage is right here and the spot welds are right here. So take the battery out and just take fenders off and we good. And right here, the fenders is bent right here. All we gotta do is just work this part right out to be a little straight, and this fender is savable. Here's the passenger side. Like I said, we only changing it because it's a little damage right here and a little scratch in the door, so it's going to switch everything over. And that's it. So it's not bad. It's just a little rough, but it's fixable. Alright, so everything looking like a hot mess. Took off the whole front end. We're about to take off the door next. We're going to swap the new one on. And as I stated before, the main little damage is right here. So once we pull it, we should be a little easier going. We did a good amount of work, and as usual, I just kept working and forgot to record, but we took the whole front out. That's where it got a little hit, so we're debating just getting a new rat support to put in. But for right now, we're going to line up with the lights. Everything is on. The lines look good. But that's it. The hood even closes. So yeah, everything is on. Looks good. So we'll come back tomorrow and start doing more work. But so far, not bad for a first day. So more or less, this is what it looks like. The lines don't look too bad. We still gotta adjust the fenders in a little bit. This one is still a little kinked right here, but besides that, it's not bad. So this is the frame. We're able to pull it out a little bit. So now we're just gonna work a little bit on this corner compared to that one. So trying to see what we could do. If we get it to fit with the lights, we'll just leave it. If not, we're just gonna change the whole thing. We've already looking to see if we could get a new complete ride support and just drop it in, but I'm just gonna play around and see what else we can come up with. If not, we just leave it. So this is what everything's starting to look like. Hood latch working. So we took a little bit more out. So we're gonna clean it because the engine is dirty. We're gonna do the timing belt and clean up everything on that side. Wash the engine bay out, make it look a little decent. And then once we get the headlights, we're gonna start loading back everything up. Put the radiator condenser back in, charge it up, make sure everything works like factory. And then do a little quick tune-up on it, and hopefully that should be, that should be it. That should make everything work good, and just enjoy it. So this is it for now. Still gotta adjust the lines a little bit, but like I said, this fender is a little bit bent right here, but should be able to work it out. It doesn't look too bad, and that's it. First time doing anything bodywork related, but it's not that bad. So we're finally taking the car out for a spin before I pull the transmission out. So hopefully nothing too eventful happen and we just have a nice, simple drive. I took it for a spin last night for good, so I'm just gonna, keep driving it until it's time to pull out the transmission. Hopefully next weekend, because it's supposed to rain this weekend, so just trying to have a little bit of fun while I can before winter hits. Test the suspension right now because it's very bumpy the way to work.